how to reset or recover forgotten MeetMe account password. So if you want to reset or recover your MeetMe account password, then first you need to check your internet connection, and then you need to open up your MeetMe application. And once you've opened, it will have these options like sign in with Facebook, sign up with email, or you can log in with your email. So I'll be choosing login with email. And now to reset your password or to recover, you need to tap on forgot password. And after clicking on forgot password, now here you need to provide your email address. So enter your email which you have used to create your account. And once you enter your email address, tap on submit. And here you will get the confirmation code to the email address that you have just entered. So simply wait for some minutes, then you will get the verification code so that you can enter that verification code here. So you can also open up your mail, and once you open up your mail account, now you will have this mail from MeetMe. So you can simply copy the confirmation code from here, and then you need to paste it here. And once you've pasted, tap on submit, and after that here it will take you to set a new password page. So from here you can set your password, you can change your password. So simply enter your email on the first blank, and then you need to enter your new password on the next blank, and then again enter your new password on the next blank which says confirm your new password. So enter your password twice and then tap on submit, and that's it, your password has been updated. And now you can tap on login now. And now you can go back to your application and go for a login with email. And here you need to enter your new password. Once you've entered, tap on login. And that's it. It will log you into your MeetMe account. So that's it. That's how you recover your MeetMe account password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.